Welcome to the Ultimate Solar System Quiz. Are you ready to test your knowledge of the vast and mysterious universe? From blazing hot planets to icy moons, from giant storms to cosmic secrets, let's see if you have what it takes to be a space champion. Get ready, grab a notebook, and let's dive into the cosmos. Let the quiz begin. Before we start, please be kind to subscribe us. Easy level, 1 to 15. 1. Which planet is closest to the Sun? A. Venus. B. Mercury. C. Mars. 2. What is the name of Earth's natural satellite? A. Phobos. B. Moon. C. Europa. 3. How many planets are there in the solar system? A. 8. B. 9. C. 7. 4. What is the largest planet in the solar system? A. Saturn. B. Jupiter. C. Uranus. 5. Which planet is known as the red planet? A. Mars. B. Venus. C. Mercury. 6. What is the name of the second planet from the Sun? A. Mars. B. Venus. C. Jupiter. 7. What is the Sun primarily made of? A. Hydrogen and helium. B. Oxygen and nitrogen. C. Iron and nickel. 8. Which planet has the most extensive ring system? A. Neptune. B. Saturn. C. Jupiter. 9. Which planet is known for its great red spot? A. Jupiter. B. Neptune. C. Saturn. 10. Which planet has the fastest orbit around the Sun? A. Venus. B. Mercury. C. Mars. 11. Which is the only planet known to support life? A. Earth. B. Mars. C. Venus. 12. What is the smallest planet in the solar system? A. Mercury. B. Pluto. C. Mars. 13. Which planet is tilted on its side, rotating almost horizontally? A. Neptune. B. Uranus. C. Venus. 14. What is the name of the fifth planet from the Sun? A. Jupiter. B. Mars. C. Venus. 15. Which planet is the hottest in the solar system? A. Mercury. B. Venus. C. Mars. 16. Medium level, 16 to 30, 16. What is the Kuiper Belt mainly composed of? A. Asteroids. B. Icy bodies and dwarf planets. C. Gaseous clouds. 17. Which planet has the longest day, rotation period? A. Venus. B. Jupiter. C. Neptune. 18. What is the main reason for Earth's seasons? A. Distance from the Sun. B. Tilt of Earth's axis. C. Earth's rotation speed. 19. What is the name of the largest moon of Saturn? A. Titan. B. Enceladus. C. Io. 20. Which planet has the most moons? A. Jupiter. B. Saturn. C. Neptune. 21. Which moon is the largest in the solar system? A. Titan. B. Io. C. Ganymede. 22. What is the main factor that keeps planets in orbit around the Sun? A. Magnetic forces. B. Gravity. C. Planetary wind. 23. What is the Oort cloud? A. A region of asteroids beyond Neptune. B. A cluster of exoplanets. C. A distant spherical shell of icy objects. 24. Which planet has the fastest winds in the solar system? A. Jupiter. B. Mars. C. Neptune. 25. What is the largest asteroid in the asteroid belt? A. Vesta. B. Ceres. C. Eros. 26. Which spacecraft was the first to land on Mars? A. Curiosity rover. B. Viking 1. C. Opportunity rover. 27. What is the primary component of Mars's atmosphere? A. Oxygen. B. Hydrogen. C. Carbon dioxide. 28. Which planet is sometimes called Earth's sister planet? A. Venus. B. Mars. C. Mercury. 29. What is the main cause of Jupiter's Great Red Spot? A. A volcanic eruption. B. A massive storm. C. A meteor impact. 30. Which moon has an underground ocean that might support life? A. Europa. B. Titan. C. Triton. 31. Hard level, 31 to 50. 31. What is the approximate age of the solar system? A. 10 billion years. B. 4.6 billion years. C. 2.1 billion years. 32. What is the main source of the sun's energy? A. Chemical reactions. B. Nuclear fusion. C. Gravitational collapse. 33. Which planet has a hexagonal-shaped storm at its north pole? A. Saturn. B. Jupiter. C. Uranus. 34. Which planet experiences the longest year? A. Uranus. B. Neptune. C. Saturn. 35. Which dwarf planet is the largest? A. Makemake. B. Pluto. C. Eris. 36. What is the second largest moon in the solar system? A. Titan. B. Europa. C. Ganymede. 37. What phenomenon occurs when the moon passes between the Earth and the Sun? A. Solar eclipse. B. Lunar eclipse. C. Supermoon. 38. What is the average surface temperature of Venus? A. 300 degrees Celsius. B. 467 degrees Celsius. C. 120 degrees Celsius. 39. What is the primary reason Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet? A. Too far from the Sun. B. It has not cleared its orbit. C. It's too small. 40. What causes Uranus to have extreme seasons? A. Its distance from the Sun. B. Its extreme axial tilt. C. Its orbit speed. 41. What is the faint outermost layer of the Sun called? A. Photosphere. B. Corona. C. Heliosphere. 42. Which planet has a moon with active volcanoes? A. Jupiter. Io. B. Mars. Phobos. C. Neptune, Triton. 43. What is the most common element in Jupiter's atmosphere? A. Oxygen. B. Hydrogen. C. Carbon dioxide. 44. What is the Sun's core temperature? A. 10,000 degrees Celsius. B. 15 million degrees Celsius. C. 500,000 degrees Celsius. 45. Which planet has the coldest average temperature? A. Neptune. B. Pluto. C. Uranus. 46. What is the most volcanic body in the solar system? A. Io, Jupiter's moon. B. Mars. C. Europa. 47. How long does it take sunlight to reach Earth? A. 8 minutes. B. 30 seconds. C. 1 hour. 48. What force prevents planets from floating away into space? A. Gravity. B. Magnetic pull. C. Cosmic radiation. 49. What is the largest volcano in the solar system? A. Olympus Mons, Mars. B. Mauna Loa, Earth. C. Loki Patera, Io. 50. What was the first exoplanet discovery year? A. 1992. B. 1995. C. 2001. And that's a wrap. How many did you get right? Are you a solar system genius or a space cadet? Drop your score in the comments below and challenge your friends. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more amazing space content. Until next time, keep looking up at the stars and keep exploring the universe. See you in the next quiz.